Watch me recreate this cat eye strawberry nail.
Okay, so I am going to be trying to recreate this strawberry nail I saw on Instagram. I have never been able to master cat eye, but it has this cat eye gel underneath, and I keep buying cat eye and I keep buying magnets, and it's me, it's not the products. So we're going to try today once I find my cat eye. So we're using this, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I got it from Shein, and I love their products, and this bottle is so cute. And look, this slides off. Well, it ain't sliding now, so we're gonna leave it, but some of the other ones were kind of like falling off. So we're gonna polish a thin layer of this cat eye, and I saw a video that says to what is it called, cure a layer of it first. So I cured it for 30 seconds, and that's what it's looking like. So now we're gonna apply another layer, and we're gonna try this magnet out and see what it does. I've been able to get lines, but I have not mastered that whole mirror or like reflective effect on the whole nail, or even like in just one like isolated spot, like the center or one side. I've done it accidentally, but I've never done it intentionally. So that's what we're gonna try today. I got this magnet I'm gonna use, and I also got this Shein. So let's see. I see some people do this on one side, the other side, back, around the other side. No, you have to move the magnet quickly. Oh, look. Oh, I think I did it. Let's try some more. Let's not go overboard. Oh, I did it. I'm so happy. That's the first time. Ooh. Okay. So now we're going to cure this before it disappears. Because they say that they will, what is it, like, I don't know if the word is molecules, but whatever the magnetized particles, is that a word? Whatever those particles, that's the word I'm looking for. Magnetized particles that are in the polish will sink to the bottom or dissipate as time goes on if you don't cure it. So I'm going to cure this for 30 seconds, and then it's on to just the nail art part, which I think I can do, because I pretty much feel like I can do anything I put my mind to, which is why it was so frustrating not to be able to do what I just did for so long. So moving on. So now I've cured it, and I'm gonna use this jelly red. And I am skeptical, but we're just gonna do one thin layer, because I am afraid that if I put too thick of a layer or double coat this, that it will not show the cat eye effect underneath, which is what I'm going for. And this is a Tip X. I think this was the medium coffin nail, and all I did was kind of shape it into this crusty little almond shape, and I applied it with some peel off base coat. I applied a thin layer to my nail, cured it for 60 seconds, and then applied some of that base coat to the back of the nail, a little glob at the cuticle, and pressed down and held it under a flash curing lamp for an additional 60 seconds. Okay, we're gonna cure that. And I can already see the cat eye underneath. I don't know how it's looking on camera, but I can see it. I have here some milky white, which I'm going to use for the seeds for the strawberry, and I think I'm going to mix these two greens, because I think this is all I have besides some jelly color, and these one is too light and I feel like the other one is too bright. So we're going to mix them together and see what they look like. I'll be back. I'm going to use this Macart number 2 liner brush, and I am going to try to do some nail art, but I mixed the greens together Hopefully you can see that. And I'm gonna start by painting along. Well, as y'all can see, my hands ain't steady. We're gonna try this again. I'm gonna try to paint a line here. Oh, this is hard to do on camera. Okay, let's see. I don't know why my little hand's shaking so much. Okay. So now we're gonna try to draw some little triangular lines for the leaf, which I probably should have matte top coated this first. So guess what? We're gonna start over and matte top coat it. So off camera, I did this, and it's looking strawberry-ish. My seeds are a little obscure, you know. We're gonna call this abstract art, because yeah, my dotting tool, I was picking up too much polish, and I'm on a time crunch. I just wanted to see if I could do it, and I think I did. So we're gonna cure this, and I'll be right back to top coat it to see that shiny effect. Drum roll, please. Nail polish falling in the background. Devil is a lie. Trying to mess me up and spook me out. Okay, let's cure this for 30 seconds and see the final product. This is the finished product. Because I went back and added a little chrome, which I dusted off because I didn't top coat it again, because I'm taking this off. But the girl in the video did a green chrome, which made this pop a little bit more and took away some of that imperfection in those leaves. So yeah, I gotta give me some green chrome if I want to do this again, but I like it. All right, so let's see how this nail pops off. Mommy. Yes, Josiah. What are you thanking me for? Oh, that is pretty easy. Okay, well, there you have it.